All right, guys, this is the Vekooto, Vekooto store magnetic solar wireless backup camera. It's 1080p. It's got a magnet right here that just super sucks onto your car or onto the RV itself, and it allows you to monitor. It's solar powered here on top. It allows you to monitor with this camera right here any part of the vehicle. So if you want to monitor your car, if you want to monitor the hatch where the car and the RV connect, or if you want to monitor the back from the RV back where you can't really see, you can monitor that, like rear view. So it's pretty cool. And the other thing is you use the QR code, either Android or iPhone, and then you download an app right here, which I'm about to set up, and then we're going to take it out to the to my car and just see how this works. But super sturdy, and I love that it's got a nice antenna, so it's gonna get that signal to your phone once you connect it to. So you're gonna be able to monitor that. You can monitor that. You can have your phone just like hooked up on your dash and actually monitor the rear view or whatever part you want to monitor. I just think this is really useful, especially if you have an RV or a boat trailer, you do a lot of traveling, and you just want to be a little safer and be able to monitor your blind spots. I mean, when you're driving something big like that, that's kind of important. So this is an extremely sturdy piece of equipment, and I assumed it would have to be if it's got that magnet on it, but what it allows you to do is, let's see. Yeah, so right here it's a USB-C, and I think this would be to charge it on its own without the solar power. You could just plug this into a USB port and charge it up. So there's multiple ways to charge it. Say you're in an area where there's not a lot of sun, you're going to be able to charge it up anyways to make sure it's good to go. The thing I really like about this is that magnet makes it so you don't have to like drill anything into your car, drill anything into your RV. If you use several different vehicles, you can easily switch it from vehicle to vehicle. So let's go outside. Let's see if we can get this app working and show you how it all comes together. All right, so we're out here. We're going to show you how this works. Dude, this thing is actually kind of trippy how cool it is. So come on over here. So what this is going to do, what I would suggest this for is you could use it if you have a big SUV. This could really come in handy. This could basically be a rear view camera for a big SUV. But if you also have like an RV, that's where this is going to really come in handy. This super high powered magnet, all it does is it just latches onto that car and it's not moving. I mean, that is sturdy. You have it solar powered here. You have the camera here, and that is adjustable. And what you're going to see here, so you download that app with that QR code that I was telling you about. Now you literally have a rear view monitor.
There we are.
Right there. That's us. See? See, guys? See? So you can do that. This is the kind of cool stuff you can do. And you can see, actually show this, and then I'll like angle the camera down. So you can see how you can angle it properly depending on the angle that you're magnetizing it to your automobile with. This is super high quality. I've never seen anything like this before. I think it's super useful if you don't already have a rear view camera like on your RV or something like that. So if you're on this page, it's because you're looking for something like this. I'm not techie. I was able to set this up super easily. I love the fact that you could use this on like multiple different cars. You could put it at different parts of the car. So I hope I helped you make a quick informed buying decision. Have a nice day.